In this video, I'll demonstrate how to unprivate your YouTube videos. To do this, navigate to Your Videos located on the left where the U section is. You'll be redirected to the Content section of YouTube Studio where you can manage your videos. Look up the name of the private video by using the search bar at the top of the page. Just under the video preview, you'll see the Visibility tab. Clicking on it will give you a set of options to either have it be published as private, where the video is only available to you, unlisted, where it cannot appear in search results and can only be shared by direct links, members only, where subscribers or paid followers can view the content, and finally, public, where anyone can freely view the video, which is what we want. Click on Public, then Done to set it up. And finally, publicize the video by clicking on Save on the top of the page.